Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy oatmeal cookies. This simple recipe uses common ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen. We'll combine pantry staples like rolled oats, all-purpose flour, and both white and brown sugars. You will also need softened butter, 1 large egg, and a touch of vanilla extract. A little baking soda and salt complete our ingredient list for perfectly chewy cookies. First, in a large bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened butter with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of packed light brown sugar until fluffy. Next, beat in 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, then stir in 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats. Now it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop rounded tablespoons of cookie dough onto ungreased baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown. The centers might still look a little soft, but they will firm up as they cool. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. For the best results, always use old-fashioned rolled oats, not instant, to achieve that perfect chewy texture. Remember not to overmix your dough once the dry ingredients are added. This keeps your cookies tender. Once completely cooled, store your delicious oatmeal cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 to 5 days to maintain their freshness. These delightful treats are perfect with a cold glass of milk or a warm cup of coffee. Enjoy your homemade goodness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.